everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up subscription-based products in Shopify step by step. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any details. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a Shopify subscription app. Shopify doesn't have built-in subscription features, so you'll need an app like Recharge, Bold Subscriptions, or Seal Subscriptions. Go to the Shopify App Store. Search for a subscription app and click Install. Step 2. Configure subscription plans. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new subscription plan. Set the billing frequency, weekly, monthly, or yearly, and define the pricing and discounts for subscribers. Step 3. Add subscription products. Go to Products in Shopify and select the product you want to offer as a subscription. Enable the subscription option from the app settings. Then choose whether customers can purchase as a one-time order, a subscription, or both. Step 4. Set up payment and checkout. Ensure that your Shopify store supports recurring payments. Most subscription apps integrate with Shopify Payments, Stripe, or PayPal. Make sure customers can manage their subscriptions easily from their accounts. Step 5. Test and launch your subscription service. Before going live, test your subscription process by placing a test order. Check if the payment, renewal, and customer notifications work correctly. Once everything is set, launch your subscription-based product, and that's it. Now you know how to set up subscription-based products in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.